Why did you choose to do that specifically? Maybe you saw power in that, or maybe that what helped you grow your brands back, like,
Yeah, I
you
mean,
know?
I used to do a lot of this stuff manually in my own business, and scraping Instagram, and creating lists and having a VA full time that does outreach and sending out samples, and just being frustrated with the process of trying to sign contracts, trying to pay these creators, get them to do the job that they said. I have a background in doing some software for Amazon sellers as well, for some past projects, and so really just always finding problems in the world that I can help solve and trying to find the way to solve them. And, my partners and I come up with really great solutions in order to make these things kind of seamless, easy, and also lower cost and allow brands to scale rapidly. So that's kind of what we did with Join Brands. And it was, to solve that problem of like ecom brand owners really needing to work with like niche influencers and people that are can be affiliates that help promote and drive sales for their brands on Amazon, on TikTok, on Walmart and in store channels as well.